Let's divide 146 by 2. Hey math adventurers, waving hand ready to conquer division. Hit that subscribe button for more awesome math fun with Let's Stud, Let's Go. Alrighty, let's start dividing 146 by 2. Get ready. We look at the first digit, which is 1. We'll use this lonely one for now. How many times does 2 fit into 1? 0 times, so 0 is our first quotient digit. Let's check 0 multiplied by 2 is 0, easy peasy. Now subtract 0 from 1, we get 1 left over, that's our remainder for this step. You're doing amazing, don't worry about the remainder, we've got more numbers to help. Time to team up, let's bring down the next digit 4 to join our remainder 1. Next up we have the number 14, looking good. We bring down the 4 and put it next to our remainder 1, making 14. Look at that number. How many times does 2 go into 14? Think of your 2's times tables, it's 7. Let's multiply 7 times 2 equals 14, perfect match. Subtract 14 from 14. What do you get? 0, we've got no remainder this time. Fantastic work, you're a division superstar, Sparkles. We're almost there, let's grab the last digit 6 and get ready for the final step. Last step, here we go, we're looking at the number 6. We bring down the 6 and place it next to our remainder 0, making it 6. We're on the home stretch. How many times does 2 fit into 6? You got this, it's 3. Let's check 3 times 2 equals 6. Exactly right. Subtract 6 from 6. That gives us 0. We have no remainder left. You did it, all the numbers are used and we have no remainder. High five. We've reached the end of our division journey. The final answer is 73. We found that 146 divided by 2 is 73. Great job, math whizzes. We just tackled long division step by step and found out that 146 split into 2 equal groups is 73. Remember, every step builds your math superpowers. Woohoo, you crushed it. Keep practicing and you'll be a division pro in no time. Check out more super cool math videos on Let's Stud. Bye for now, waving hand.